Uwe Jacobs, Property Friends, Property Strategist. I'm just here with Stefan Kazakis in lovely Townsville, a balmy 27 degrees, beautiful, love it. We've just handed the house over to Stefan, which is our first NDIS, National Disability Insurance Scheme Specialist Disability Accommodation House. Stefan, how did the whole process go from your point of view?
Oh, it was almost faultless, Uwe, and I appreciate everything that Property Friends and led by you, I guess, in sourcing the block and the design and working very closely in every aspect of the project, and most including the building process, which can be very concerning if you're not sort of doing this every day. So I really appreciate Property Friends, and it's amazing to see it in real life now, and we're very thankful for your work and your guidance and your continued guidance, you know, as the project continues into its next phase in being tenanted by the tenants that are going to live a better quality of life in this home.
And that's exactly why we chose this location. We wanted to do something different, as you know, we discussed it, to have a golf course frontage to live on would be anybody's desire and makes for a nice difference. Thank you very much, Stefan.
Thank you, Uwe. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Appreciate
Property Friends, for everything.